Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. This is the video to show you the special sales kit. It's a dream catcher, or you can make it as a wall hanging. This is July special sales kit, and everything already ready to send. So before that, I have to do the video to show you. And you got this ring here. So see how you play with the kit, okay? And the images will different, because I some of them they prefer the vintage girl, and some with teddy bear and also angel, and some of them will prefer this Indian maiden image. So I print out, and all this in this size, because they are for you to fit in the frame if you want to make it as a wall hanging. So this, okay, and yeah, and the let me put back inside first and show you. And for the flower, you also will receive this paper and this small ribbon flower, match with the color. And some of them they will make the flower by their own, and this one they request me to make, so I will just show you, and I will provide the tutorial video later, and so you can see how I make this one. Actually, it's also the same with the shabby chic flower that recently that I post, but this one is like so. Everything's still flat. If you want it, you can make it, you just squish it and make it look more dimension, okay? So some of the kit that they will receive only 3 flowers, and some of those is 4, because the 3 flower is because I've layered 3 or 4 layer in one flower, so that they came out only can make 3. But anyways, just private message to me, or let me know if you want the extra images, and I will share with you the image. And because this one I get all this in Pinterest, okay? So PM to me if you want to make more for this flower, okay? So also you will receive one of this rosette, okay? You can make that so also, okay. And for the feather, before that I just show you the paper, the paper feather, because I not so sure I can find the feather. Now I could found get all this feather, so you can hang this into your dream catcher. So you can cut this out, this flower, and just put on top here and tie with the trim. It's turned out so pretty. Or you can use the ribbon flower that just now I show you. Just mix and match, see which one. So pretty. So hang this within the with the trim, and you also got 2 of this color, okay? So this is the feather. And for the tassel here, and I use the yarn to make this, so you can see what you can do. You can add the small, like this, the video I show you. You can add all this small flower, just on top out here. So this one is braided with the pearl, so you also can add this ribbon flower on the tassel. And I make this one the yarn feather, and the shape, you can see, you can still trim the shape if you want, because let's trim it so you can hang this in your ring, okay? and the trim here. So all this, okay, this one, this one is the same, and this one, and this. Let me just put the thing nicely and show you. Okay, so you see, okay, now this, okay, you get all this, you can hang all this on to the ring. These two different color, so these two also different shape pattern. Okay, well, this is the trim. Okay, so yeah, all this is the item, and I just found I still have 3 more kits available. Well, I thought I already sold out. Anyway, yeah, who interested, you can message me. Okay, so I will send you the invoice. So yeah, this I will ship it today, and the tracking number I will send the tracking number to you later when everything packed. Okay, and all this feather. So yeah, thanks again for everyone for your continuous support, and I really appreciate it. I think I put the wrong stuff back. Anyway, yeah, we'll put again. Okay, all this is the items, and yeah, please stay tuned for the flower tutorial, and I will post it on my YouTube channel. Also, I will share in the group, and you can check it out if you want to see how I make my flower simple and easy. Okay, and thanks again, and bye bye.